Making banitsa with leek and cheese. Cut the leeks into small pieces. In a deep pan, add 100 mg olive oil. Add the leek to fry. In the meantime, cut 100 grams bacon and add it to fry with the leek. Fry for few minutes. Add salt 3 grams. In a glass bowl, add 6 eggs. Mix them good. On a baking pan, add 50 grams butter. In the eggs, add 200 grams white cheese. Mix it good. Around 500 grams Filo. Dip every Filo in the eggs with cheese and add it in the pan. On top, add the fried leek and bacon. Cover it with few Filo. $50 grams butter on top. Sesame 100 grams. And olive oil 100 milligrams. Bake 30 to 40 minutes at 200 degrees. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!